One of the projects that showed huge potential early on was X. The complexity of blockchain technology has been a huge barrier to entry for most people. Projects focusing on building complex infrastructure instead of focusing on real use cases make it harder for mass adoption. This is what differentiates X from most projects currently on the market. Their main objective, as written in their white paper, is to make buying cryptocurrency as easy as buying bottled water. We want users to buy and use cryptocurrency anytime, anywhere. So basically, they want to become the world's largest offline cryptocurrency sales network by connecting existing point of sale devices and X devices to the X platform. What better way to achieve mass adoption than offering better and simpler alternatives to what people already use on the daily? Now, to help them in their quest, the team is equipped with the X POS terminal, the X card, and the X mobile wallet. The X terminal is a smart device connected to the project's blockchain called the function X. It allows merchants or retailers to receive cryptocurrency as a form of payment. Then we have the X card, which is a physical debit card that can be charged with cryptocurrencies. The X card is directly linked to the mobile wallet, which is another helpful component as it solves the handling of private and public keys. The mobile wallet has a friendlier interface than some regular wallets, and it allows people to manage multiple cards at the same time. It's preferable this way as it is an interface much more familiar to our normal banking applications. The mobile wallet and X card is accessible to anyone, anywhere. There's no need for paperwork or identity verification to use their services and products, therefore making it an optimal solution for financially underserved third world countries. The solution offered by X is interesting because it offers a complete and simpler point of sale solution to retailers, and thanks to their blockchain technology, it offers low transaction costs and faster transaction speed. It can also be seen as a counter to Visa and MasterCard's unwillingness to offer crypto solutions to their customers. Another important point worth mentioning is that the function X blockchain allows developers to create dApp solutions, also known as decentralized applications, on the terminal for retailers. If X can maintain a consistent development schedule and follow the roadmap that they've set for themselves, it'll be a hit. Deployment speed is one of the biggest struggles that companies attempting this business model face, as we've seen in the past with companies such as 10x and Centra. The second project on this list is Decred. According to some, Decred is what you wish Bitcoin was. Now, Decred or DCR stands for Decentralized Credit. It's a project that puts focus on community input and is also what you call a decentralized autonomous organization. The project uses a hybrid blockchain consensus system comprised of proof of work and proof of stake to offer a balance between miners and users. The project started in 2013 as a solution to Bitcoin's governance problem, where miners had complete control over the decisions made in the ecosystem. All while acknowledging the strengths of Bitcoin as a store of value and a medium of exchange, the developers of Decred decided to take the best that Bitcoin had to offer and added some of their own elements to create the project that we have today. There are two main elements that intrigued me when reading about the Decred project. The first element that makes Decred an invaluable project is, of course, their governance system. From their website, it is said that Decred's governance is based on the principle of ticket holder voting. The ultimate decision-making force for the project is the voting of active tickets. Decred holders can stake their coins also to obtain voting tickets. Furthermore, Decred's on-chain governance system is complemented with their platform called Policia, which is integrated into their blockchain. The Policia web platform is a Reddit-style space to facilitate submitting, viewing, and discussing proposals. For more details about Policia, their voting rules and mechanism, I'd invite anyone interested to check out directly on their website as it is very well explained. The second element is self-sustaining. It's a project that does not rely on external capital to improve on their technology. I cannot emphasize enough on how important this is considering the recent ICO funding fiasco. They've set up a reward system in which 60% of block rewards goes to proof of work miners, 30% to proof of stake voters, and 10% goes into the Decred treasury for future expenses. This gives everyone enough incentive to keep working no matter the direction the project takes. Also, the rewards earned through mining can be seen as continuous small funding rounds earned through actual work by securing the network. There is so much to be said about Decred and their advanced features such as atomic swaps and their Lightning network implementation. However, in a future video, we'll try to go through some of the technology to see what really differentiates Decred from other projects. It's hard to tell if Decred can achieve a top 10 position in the cryptocurrency sphere based only on their improved governance system. However, the strength of their community, the experience and skill set of their developers, and the innovation they keep on bringing might just lead them on the way to the top. Project has been the project that's been the most commented on the Twitter posts. After investigating the project, it is easy to see why. Now let's get into it. Skycoin project is not new. In fact, the developers of Skycoin, who previously contributed to Bitcoin and Ethereum blockchain, have been working on it since 2013. From their white paper, it seems their initial goal was to investigate the Bitcoin blockchain and try to find solutions to the different issues that it was experiencing. Shortly after, another conflict piqued their interest, which was the net neutrality issue. For those who do not know, the net neutrality was a key issue in technology throughout 2017. According to Wikipedia, net neutrality is the principle that internet service providers treat all data on the internet equally and not discriminate or charge differently by user, content, website, platform, application, type of attached equipment, or method of communication. This made it the perfect time for the Skycoin project to emerge and present its solution. Now, what's interesting about this project is the size of the obstacle the team is trying to tackle. They're trying to redefine the way people use the internet and how information is shared across the web. In summary, Skycoin is regarded as being the Web 3.0, meaning a completely decentralized web that is free from censure, control of information, and invasion of privacy. So the question is, how are they planning to do that? They've established 5 main components that will drive the success of their project. First, we have the Skycoin, which is the fuel for the ecosystem. It is reportedly extremely fast and secure currency backed by bandwidth. We have Skywire, which is their flagship product. It's an anonymous decentralized mesh internet protocol that runs on their blockchain. They've established Skywire as the foundation for the new internet that the team is creating. It's a tool for private browsing and is reportedly faster and more secure than the current internet we have. Essentially, this will be the main element in their net neutrality resolution. We then have the SkyMiner, which is the hardware and access point for Skywire. Then we have Fiber, which is the name of their blockchain, which uses a unique consensus algorithm. And finally, we have SkySuite, which is a suite of decentralized applications. Developers will be able to create dApps for Skywire using the programming language developed by the Skycoin team called CX. As mentioned earlier, a very important element in this project is their consensus algorithm. Their consensus algorithm is called Obelisk or Web of Trust. So Obelisk eliminates the mining of coins, which potentially makes it a better alternative to proof of work and proof of stake. It's a system completely based on trust, on which different nodes subscribe to other nodes deemed reliable. Therefore, the more nodes that are subscribed to you, the more influence you have on the network. If you happen to be a bad actor, then the other nodes can simply unsubscribe from your node and exclude you from the network. With all this technology, the ecosystem is protected from 51% attacks, allows for extra security, offers high scalability, and low energy consumption. Despite all this given information, we're only scratching the surface of this project's potential. In a future video, we'll be diving inside the way every component is linked together in order to truly understand how ambitious this project is. The Skycoin team have laid out a set of attractive solutions, and they've been able to live up to their claims on the technological front so far. It's hard to tell whether or not Skycoin will be able to achieve their enormous vision, but it will be an exciting project to watch this year.